Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Wave accounting to Shopify for zero-cost e-commerce tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Wave accounting account. Navigate to the Apps section from the main menu. Look for Shopify in the list of available apps and select it. Click on the Connect button to link your Wave account to Shopify. You will be prompted to log into your Shopify account. Enter your Shopify credentials and grant permission to connect the two platforms. Once connected, return to the Wave accounting dashboard. Select the Sales tab to begin tracking your e-commerce transactions. Next, go to the Integrations section within the Sales tab. Ensure that Shopify is activated for transaction syncing. Now, navigate to your Shopify store's admin panel. Go to Settings and then Payments. Select Manage under the payment provider you are using. Make sure that transaction notifications are enabled for your connected Wave account. Return to Wave accounting and check for any synced transactions. Verify that your sales data is accurately reflected in your accounting records. If needed, adjust your account settings to customize how sales data is recorded. Regularly monitor your transactions for any discrepancies. Utilize Wave's reporting features to gain insights into your e-commerce performance. By following these steps, you will have successfully connected Wave accounting to Shopify for efficient e-commerce tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.